Hi guys, I'm Ujwala. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to help you clear your confusion that you have right now. Or now that you're going to go to your college really soon, you're confused about what to pack, what not to pack, what to carry, what not to carry, what to buy and what not to. This video is not a gender specific video. Stay tuned till the end because all of your doubts will be cleared. First category is going to be electronics, gadgets and everything around this. The very basic दो चीज़ें जो तुमको चाहिए होंगी will be your smartphone obviously and your laptop. I think laptop is very much essential in college life. अगर आपको ऐसा कोई काम नहीं भी है जिसमें आपको एक लैपटॉप की रिक्वायरमेंट है but आप still you need to have a laptop to learn different kind of things like if you are learning editing for example उनमें edit करना is a big task, so like your laptop can help. You can carry an electric kettle with you if your hostel allows. तो उसमें आप पानी गर्म कर सकते हो. You can even make noodles in that. You can also make different variety of recipes while you're in college. Carry extension cords that will be really helpful क्योंकि इतने सारी चीज़ें एक साथ आपको लगानी होती है and the charging point is not where it is supposed to be. This is a gadget that you will very much need. Please ignore the design that I've created on it. Is the calculator that I bought when I was in my class 12th. So I'm from an ISC board. Yes, we used to use calculators. Your course is thoda sa bhi around math or any other subject that need calculations. Will definitely be allowed calculators in your college to carry your calculators with you, especially those of you who are going to pursue your undergraduate course from any of the IIMs. You will need a calculator for sure. So yes, carry a calculator with you. This is not a necessary item or an essential item, but just in case you are a sucker for music like I am, I listen to a lot of music, so I carry like these headphones with me. It can happen that in your hostel somebody's watching a movie out loud but you are studying, but you are sharing the room, so you can use your headphones, your earphones, your earbuds. So let's move to hydration and kitchen basic essential items जो तुमको चाहिए होंगे. You need to carry 2 or 3 bottles with you क्योंकि जो water purifiers होते हैं जो colleges hostels में लगे होते हैं, they are really away from your rooms. If you are lucky तो आपका room pass होगा, but if you are not, you will have to go to the water purifier bar. You can one at once fill 2-3 bottle and carry it to your room, and then that way it will be easier for you. Buy water bottles that are insulated. This is the type of bottle. This is the insulated one. This way your water will be cool in summers and will be warm in winters. Move to kitchen basics. Please carry your own plate. Okay, carry your own mug. At least एक छोटा सा cup लेके जाना. Your fork and your spoon. Please carry microwave safe bowl. You'll be able to make Maggi faster than the one you can make in kettle. I don't know the number of times अभी तक मैंने noodles का mention किया because that is the one thing I've eaten a lot. ठीक है, hostel में तो तुम लोग बनाने वाले हो बहुत सारी Maggi, बहुत सारी noodles, so you will need a microwave safe bowl. And trust me on this, जो microwave के अंदर Maggi बनाओगे ना वो जल्दी बनेगी. You need a lock. ठीक है, नहीं बहुत सारे locks, छोटे बड़े ताले with of course keys. Along with that you'll need a lot of hangers, so you can buy these kind of hangers which have sub hangers, like hangers के साथ बहुत सारे hangers. You also need storage bags, but please buy foldable storage bags just in case आपके room में hostel room में space नहीं है. You will need to carry a laundry bag with you. Starting में तो आप पे बहुत energy होगी अपने कपड़े हर दूसरे दिन धुलने के लिए, but since you'll have limited washing machines in your hostel, will be times जब आपको नहीं मौका मिलेगा अपने कपड़े धुलने का, so you need to separate out गंदे वाले कपड़े with साफ वाले कपड़े. You'll need a bucket and a mug. Along with that you'll need bed sheets. Please carry 3 से 4 bed sheets at least. Change कर के लगाओगे, साफ सुथरा रखोगे कमरे को, तो 3-4 bed sheets you will require. Take your own pillow. अपना weather check कर लो place का. According to that देखो तुमको कितना thin blanket required है. Carry thin blanket थोड़ा सा, and then you can maybe carry a quilt, like a thin quilt but warm quilt. Carry flip flops for your washroom. Don't use the नॉर्मल कमरे वाला बहुत गंदा हो जाता है. Okay, it is not hygienic at all. Carry a basic first aid kit with you. Basic medicines रख लेना. Please carry stuff like these. Like this is an eye drop that I carry with me because my eyes are really sensitive. So like they get red like because of the pollen and stuff. So I carry that. Along with that, I keep sanitizer with me 24/7. You don't know what kind of things you're touching. Like odomos with me because it is very necessary. You don't know kahan pe stagnant pani hoga and what kind of mosquitoes are breeding there. So you need to keep odomos with you. I was looking for my college bag because I'm carrying my laptop with me and I've brought my college bag here at my home. I found all of these items in there because I carry it with me. I have like a mask too there inside of my bag. This is my hostel. This is my college backpack. It is really spacious and it has these pockets where you can put your water bottles and carry a lot of your saman. I carried a lot of books to read. The novel that I was reading, I carried that too. I did not even read a single page of it. I carried so much like stationery ka saman. I'll really recommend to carry a chota sa pouch where you have like the basic stationery items that you require. So this is the pouch that I have. इसी के अंदर I have carried, like I've kept all of my essential stationery की चीज़ें that I'll require. For example, like these highlighters and like the markers. Sometimes you need some glue sticks. So I'm that kind of a person who'll randomly make cards for people. So like I really like making thoda bahut craft ka items. So like I make random cards for my friends. Sometimes some chote se craft paper flowers for them. So I carry these kind of random glue sticks with me. Obviously sticky notes. So these are like those transparent sticky notes. So I can stick them on my book and write on them. But at the same time, I'll be able to read what is written. I like 1 or 2 books with you. That is it. So this is a planner. I carry these kind of planners with me. You can go ahead if you want to. You can buy your registers there when you get to your hostel and you will be able to know कि आपको कितनी notebooks required हैं, कितने subjects, आपको कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या करना है. So according to that, buy your registers there only. Let's move to clothing essentials and jewelry essentials for girls or boys, like just in case. Clothing wala part, see, you need to carry your casual घर में like t-shirts and your shorts, boxers, whatever you guys wear. Don't carry a lot of t-shirts and a lot of boxers. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा initial days के लिए ले जाओ and then buy there only because you will have a lot of things to carry. So you will need to carry your formal clothes like your shirts, your pants, like at least 2-3 pair तो रख लेना. Along with that, please girls, I get you. How desperately how guys want to mix match clothes and wear different variety of clothes. I get you. But the thing is, if you'll carry a lot of clothes with you, you will have a lot of things to organize and store. And trust me, you will not be wearing all of those clothes. Yeah, that is a problem because most of the time you'll feel either lazy or you'll have a lot of things to study for. So you'll not have time to get ready like the diva that you wanted to be. And for those days where you guys need to look like divas and heroes, you can carry these kind of suits with you. So I carried 2 suits with me for special occasions like Diwali or Pongal. Along with that, you can carry comfortable kurtis. Go with kurtis and basic tops that you really like. Don't carry a lot of it. You can purchase when you are there in the hostel according to the weather and according to the environment. For boys, go ahead with your kurtas. At least carry a ethnic kurta with you just for Diwalis or Pongals. Don't carry a lot of pair of shoes. कम से कम shoes लेके जाना क्योंकि जो hostel rooms होते हैं वो कुछ ज़्यादा बड़े होते नहीं हैं. Generally carry your formal shoes, at least 1 or 2 pair of formal shoes with you. You need to have a lot of socks, at least 4 to 5 pair of socks. Please keep them with you. Carry your jackets, your sweaters, not a lot of them. Please check according to the weather. And also please carry a raincoat or an umbrella. To carry your sewing kit for like just in case आपका थोड़ा सा cloth इधर उधर हो गया. And please carry your safety pins. For the jewelry, I'll say don't carry a lot of it. You'll obviously not wear a lot of it. For me personally, I really like wearing these kind of bracelets. So like this is the stack that I carry. Along with that, like really small, dainty jewelries like these kind of jewelries. I take these kind of jewelries only. So I have not taken a big chunky jewelry there. So छोटे मोटा jewelry है like these. Move to toiletries and hygiene. So please सबसे पहले जाके खरीद लो that shower bag. You know that the one that you can open, the travel shower bag. I don't know what exactly it is named like, but you open it and then you can hang it there. जहाँ पर भी आप टांग सकते हो, like hooks में you can hang there and you can open it and your essential toiletry items will be there, so you can like take them out. क्योंकि आप hostel में होने वाले हो, you will be sharing room with someone, you will be sharing washroom with someone, so you need to keep your essential items in a storage bag. Carry your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your floss, like your soap or body wash, whatever, shower gel, your shampoo, your conditioner, and basic skincare जो भी चाहिए होता है. Please carry a lot of sunscreen. Oh my god, I got so tan during my college. Please carry wet wipes and tissue papers with you. It will definitely help you out. Not to mention these two things, please carry your own lamp, बिकॉज आप किसी के साथ हॉस्टल शेयर करने वाले हैं, अपना रूम्स शेयर करने वाले हैं. सो यू विल नीड अ छोटा सा टेबल लैम्प विद यू. देन ऑल्सो कैरी कर्टन्स along with you. One of the things that is necessary is going to be this. So this is like a sleeping, I don't know what you call it, eye mask. So you pull it, stretch it like this and like cover your eyes with this, so that way you'll be able to sleep just in case आपका रूममेट पढ़ रहा है या फिर जो भी सीन चल रहा है. बिकॉज मेरी और मेरी रूममेट का टाइमिंग बहुत डिफरेंट था. शी यूज टू स्टडी टिल 10 PM एंड आई यूज टू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग फ्रॉम 10 PM बिकॉज आई यूज टू स्लीप टिल 10 PM. सेशन दैट आई गिव यू इज़ टू कैरी जितना कम सामान तुम लेके जा सकते हो उतना. बिकॉज सी हमारे साथ क्या हुआ, विल बी शिफ्टिंग आवर रूम्स दिस ईयर नाउ, सो विल शफल रूम्स विद सम अदर रूममेट. तो वी हैड टू पैक आवर हॉस्टल आइटम्स, जो भी सारा सामान था, एंड इतना मुश्किल हुआ टू पैक ऑल ऑफ दैट क्रेजी स्टफ जो हम लेके आए थे. ह्यूज कार्टन्स. सो यू नीड टू नो कि कितना लेके जाना है एंड कितना नहीं. देन यू कैन परचेज लेटर. With that being said, I think it's time to wrap up the video. I will love to reply to your comments. For more such videos, subscribe.